Hello guys, it's
Hey
ANT
guys.
Collectibles, and today we're here with the brand new 2024-2025 SP Game Use Edition. So I got these, get these two box from
Mirage Trade.
Mirage Chain for 188 Canadian plus stocks. And so this one is a collect 4 hits per box, including autograph, or memorabilia, and tech cards. So 1 pack per box, and 9 card per pack. I think there's cards in there. I'll probably have to use the bigger point uploader. Okay. Let's go, babe.
Let's do this.
Celebrating.
So,
Celebrating. Leonardson. Joff Day. Logan.
Ooh.
I don't.
Logan.
Logan's strengthening. Okay, so let's do this. Like everybody. So off the top, I think this is the base. Claude Giroux. And I think you can put it in this penny sleeve. Those are the bigger points. So Claude Giroux. And let's go. Matthew Tkachuk. So Maple Leaf is leading the Panthers 2-0. So game 2, Maple Leaf. So
Round 2, game 2, Maple Leafs.
And babe, did you know that also Utah changed their name from Utah Hockey Club?
Again?
It's named Utah Monarch. Yeah, they have a new logo with the elephant, yeah.
Oh, nice. They have a logo now.
And also the lottery. So Islanders won the lottery. So Islanders gonna get first pick. So let's go from the bottom. Let's look at this Logan Stankoven. Ooh. Logan Stankoven.
Letter.
They got the V.
Number, out of 35.
Out of 35. Nice 8 right here.
What number is that? Number 8?
Number 8.
Just leave it there.
It's not in any sleeve. Okay. And
with an auto on it, eh?
Daniel Nurse. 20 out of 25.
Nurse.
I think this is a silver rainbow.
Rainbow.
Daniel Nurse.
Ooh. 20 out of 20.
Yeah, this can hold than the one that I was trying to put it in. Okay, so how much card is that? 4. So we have 5 more cards to go. Okay, and a rookie now. Ooh. Shark. I see a Montreal Canadian. I wonder if it's Leonardson. Devin Cooley. Rookie, authentic rookie. So this is not numbered. This is a base. They actually put base on the bottom right here, so you know it's the base. They're reading people's mind, or they're actually doing survey, and people actually complaining. So let's go from the bottom. Ooh, fabric. Maurice Snyder. Fabric. Game use. Global Series fabric. Let's see. It's not numbered. Yeah, this can hold into. Let's go from the top now. Okay, that's definitely Lane Hudson. Brett Burns on the Red Rainbow. I think I get this one right. Red Rainbow, right? Yep. Brett Burns on the Red Rainbow. Hurricane. Still in extreme loyalty. I think Logan Stankoven is now on the Hurricane now.
Oh wow.
Out of 149.11. Authentic rookie. Olivia Kapanen, if that's how his name even pronounced. The goal rookie. Nice. And I think this is the final card. Ooh, Charlie McAvoy on the red, right? Jersey. Red jersey. Ooh. I wonder if this is the shorts, because where on the jersey is this? This must be the shorts. Charlie McAvoy. Nice box. And on to the second box. Logan, I think that was like Lane Hudson.
Yeah, it was like it.
Or the next one. What is his name again? Logan Malux. Yeah. Holy smoke. Let's go, babe. What? This, did I not open this one? The bottom. This one is mischievous though. This is the bottom part I opened. Let's see. Look at
We got a nice.
jersey. Joe Thornton from the San Jose Shark. Jersey, red jersey. Okay. And from the top now. From the top, let's go. Matisse Maselli, Utah base. There's a thick one at the bottom. Let's save it for our last one. If it's the next off day. What's this? Peters Stash name? See? Quebec Nordics. What is this? Is this some Juno thing? It's a base. I've been enjoying the Quebec Nordics for the 1988 series. Oh, this must be old school, eh? Let me know in the comment section if that's a retro old school player, like, and where is he right now? And let's go from the top, because the bottom card, I'm leaving it for last. Okay. Jan Kuznetsov. Authentic rookie for the Calgary Flames. Okay. There you go. Let's go. New Jersey Devil. Nico Ischiev. Red Rainbow. Let's go. Come on. Ruby Ains. 97 out of 149 goal. Yeah. And Come on, the big man.
Nurse again.
Daniel Nurse. Oilers. Red jersey. And second, New York Islanders. Noah Dobson. Red jersey. There's a lot of jersey card. No autograph. Oh, stank of it. One autograph so far. Let's see if this is another autograph. Let's go. Oh, rookie. Ethan Del Maestro.
Logo, a piece of the logo.
No, it's not a piece of the logo. I think it's a piece of the jersey number. So, Gold Auto Premier Memorabilia. Not bad. It's a rookie. So, and we don't have anything for this thick one either. Alright, guys. That should I be kind of better?
That
You
would
know,
be
I
nice.
never pull a kind of better like parallel in any one of those box. Just some little insert. But I pulled Celebini. That should I be Celebini? Anyways, this is nice opening. What is the name again? SB Game Use 2025. And also, babe, the Ultimate 2023-2024 come out today too. So we need to check that one out. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think it's starting at 280 something Canadian. So we're definitely gonna open that. And it's always fun to break the new product. Get to see what's inside for myself and you guys. So until next time, peace. ANT, we're out. I think I was gonna forget the kiss, right?